Fun has a type, and yes, each of us absolutely has one or two. Yes, ma'am. Fun comes in flavors, in styles, and in types. I used to think that fun was a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. Like if I wasn't ziplining or throwing glitter at a vision board, I wasn't doing it right. But here's the deal. Knowing your fun type is like knowing your love language. It's self-knowledge. It's how you recharge. It's how you connect. It's how you come alive. And when we don't know our fun type, we end up signing up for stuff that drains us instead of fuels us. I'm a witness to that. Have you ever said yes to a game night and remembered you hate games? Yeah, that. There's a science to it all. Yes, researchers have identified that personalized play, meaning fun that is aligned with your personality, activates the brain's reward center more deeply than passive leisure. It boosts dopamine, builds resilience, and, wait for it, reduces inflammation. What this means is that fun might be the most affordable anti-inflammatory on the market right now. Take that, Big Pharma. This will probably come as no surprise to us. Many women unconsciously suppress our fun type to blend in with our partners, our kids, our coworkers. We bend ourselves into game night people or spa day people or outdoor adventure people when really we just want to go home and read or build a Lego castle alone in silence. And that's okay. Your fun is yours. And if you've been faking your fun, this is your permission to stop. What makes you spark? Let's play a little game. I'll say a word and you blurt out loud the first fun activity that comes to mind. Ready? Energy. Laughter. Silence. Adventure. Nostalgia. Those prompt words, they point to your fun type. Are you a rough and tumble queen, a ritual gamer, a creative imaginary type, a body mover, an object builder, or some glorious mix of two or more of these? This week, your only assignment is to create a Funstagram grid. 9 squares, one fun activity per square, something that lights you up or used to. No pressure to do them, just name them, doodle them, make it messy and colorful and fun. This is your fun blueprint after all. Look, your fun doesn't have to look like anyone else's. It doesn't need a filter. It just needs to make you feel more you. So go rediscover what it is to be exactly who you are. Whether that means hula hooping, watching cartoons, or getting way too competitive over Uno. And if all else fails, remember, fun is a well-being strategy in disguise. So take it seriously, but not too seriously. Fun has a personal style. Find yours. That's it for now. I'll see you next week for Battle Plan 31, Rediscovering Your Inner Kid. Until then, be well.